Hi guys, I want to show you something. If you hate your parents and you want to annoy them, this is how to annoy them. Hold on. Make one of these. It makes like this noise. I don't know, like a really high pitched noise. Sounds like this. Hear that? I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these. Hold on. Some random paper. Don't know what. Rip some of that off. Make sure it's straight. Yeah, so we got the paper. Right, that's not really straight. Like, I can't find the scissors, so quite annoying. Oh, I've just made that worse, doesn't matter. So we got the paper, you fold it in half, like this, right? Right, so you fold it in half. And then what you're going to want to do is at the bottom here, this is the top where it opens up. And right at the bottom here, where it don't open up, you're going to want to cut triangles. Right? Like that. See that? Right, and what you're gonna do is get the top and you wanna fold it over like this. Fold it over like that. And then the same to the other side. Right, got a cold. Then what you're gonna do to start off is you get these two fingers, you get the flaps at the top, so it's like that, so the flaps are here. And what you're going to do, you don't want to push too hard or the air won't go through. You don't want to go too soft, so it's like too thick out. You want to get it perfect, so it's like that. Then you blow through the flaps and make the noise. You want to blow pretty hard. And the higher the pitch the noise you want, you cut the triangles out bigger. Well, I think one of those two, either smaller or bigger. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. And yeah, that's how to make a paper annoying noise. See you in the next video.